हेलो यारो, आई एम अगेन वापस आ गया to time pass with you. Nowadays, we have so many समय because we all are बेरोजगार्स. And today, my विषय is बेरोजगारी. Now, I want to do आलोचना on the खतरनाक situation of the बेरोजगार्स people. At least, आधा of the Indian people are now बेरोजगार्स. They had no काम, no पैसा, no खाना, no पीना. They are now cutting the घास and पालिंग the छागल. But छागल पालिंग is not an easy task. It is a very कठिन task. When the Yuvas lost their काम during lockdown, they कोशिश to earn money from TikTok. But the Sarkar banned the TikTok and the Yuvas become more बेरोजगार. कुछ TikTok star has done आत्महत्या when they सुना the news of TikTok ban. Some of the TikTok star छोड़ के भागा our country and settle to अलग देश to become a TikTok सितारा. I have एक दोस्त and his name is Mr. Torchlight. When he सुना the खबर of TikTok ban, he could not नियंत्रण himself and he जोर से थप्पड़ to his wife because his बीवी हमेशा prayed to भगवान to ban TikTok as her पतिदेव was always busy in TikTok. हर पतिदेव पूरी तरीके से भूल गया to her. They married 3 साल before but no any बच्चा पैदा होइंग and so she was very परेशान. So she prayed to God to ban TikTok and सच में the God listened to her. The बेरोजगारी is in the चरम सीमा in our country but the बेरोजगार star has ढूंढा है एक new formula to find against the बेरोजगारी and the formula is थाली. They took थाली on hand and bajaying the thali with lathi and thus they is कोशिशिंग to awake the बेरोजगार देवता to give them रोजगार. But the बेरोजगार देवता is sleeping deeply with खर्राटे मारिंग. The बेरोजगार are चक्का जाम कोरिंग on street and they are कोरिंग the धर्मघट but the बेरोजगार देवता is not उत्तरिंग them and the बेरोजगार देवता is sleeping very deeply with खर्राटे मारिंग. I am a बेरोजगार and I have no काम. I am very दुखी today. I am very दुखी not that I have no काम but I am very दुखी because I have no money to recharge on my phone. No काम is not बहुत बड़ा problem but no data on my phone is very दर्दनाक problem. No काम, no पैसा, no girlfriends. My girlfriend has छोड़ के चला गया. I had no data on my phone so I SMS नहीं किया to her so she become more गुस्सा and she शादी कर लिया to another boyfriend. I have become so बेरोजगार that मेरा फोन में फ्लाइट मोड बदल के अब साइकिल मोड बन गया. What is the alarm of बेरोजगारी? No काम in a gutter also and the situation is very खतरनाक. very खतरनाक. I am going today and tomorrow I will come फिर से. Okay.